Hi, this is Gomati from Arty Facets. Hope you all are staying home and staying safe. Please take care of yourself and your family. Today, I'm going to make one more birthday gift. So, this is going to be a candle, a Harry Potter customized candle. So, what I'm going to do is initially draw a few things related to Harry Potter. I have no idea about Harry Potter, so all I did was Google a little places. So, all Harry Potter fans will be able to relate to this. And I'm just making a little decoupage on a candle, on a pillar candle. Let's see how it goes. I'll be making everything from scratch. Let's see how it goes and let's get started. Firstly, I'm just drawing these places related to Harry Potter on an A4 sized sheet, simple A4 sized sheet. I also have this little Harry Potter, and I plan to stick this on the other side of the candle. And this is the mold that I have. You can use anything as a mold to make candles. So since this is made of paper, I thought I'll pour wax in this and then I can tear it apart later. Also making a wick holder with these two wooden tools. You can use pencils also instead. This wick is already dipped in wax, so it is kind of stiff. So arrange this exactly in the center with the help of two rubber bands. Yeah, this is the setup. And I have these wax granules which I'll be melting. Pour it in a nice bowl and on a low flame, let the wax melt. This is called stearic acid. Add about 2 spoons of it. Actually, it should be about 10% of the weight of the total wax. So add that. This would make the wax, the candle come out of the mold easily. Let it melt completely. Once it is melted completely, check the temperature. Ideally, the pouring temperature of paraffin wax should be 80 degrees, 70 to 80 degrees. So once it is at that range, you can pour it. Pour carefully. Always remember that it should be on low flame, otherwise it will catch fire. And pour it and allow it to rest. Once it is dry a little, sometimes you'll see a little depression like how you see now. So at that time, melt a little more wax and add it and allow it to dry completely for about 12 hours. Once it is dried, just take it out from the mold. I'm tearing it since it is paper. If it is a glass or some mold that can through which you can remove the candle, you can do so. In that case, you'll have to grease it a little before pouring wax. In this case, I'm just tearing it out. Now I'm using decoupage glue, deco glue on the candle and sticking this painting that I had made. The paper is cut unevenly just to make it look a bit natural. Once this is stuck, apply Fevicryl white acrylic paint just to match with the background of the painting. I'm applying it all over the candle without leaving any space. Allow the paint to dry completely. Now I'm tying a jute thread around the neck of the candle just to make it look a little more presentable. Now take varnish and spray it all around the candle without leaving any space once again. This would seal it very well, seal the painting well, and also give it a glossy effect.